A folding car ladder for $246. Isn't that a bit much? According to the manufacturer, for that money you get a load capacity of 275 pounds, 7.5 feet in length, wide legs that extend 19.7 inches for adjustment, and a length of 3.6 feet when fully folded. In addition, the ladder is ideal for use on soft ground and is compatible with the Rhino-Rack Pioneer trunk system. The model weighs just over 12 pounds, so you don't need help to handle it either. It's made of aluminium, and the shape of the ladder prevents possible contact with the car. This solution is designed for fast and high-quality washing of the undercarriage of a car. The manufacturer notes that it's also suitable for commercial use, if only because it's easier and more pleasant for mechanics to work with a clean car. The ramp was created using a patented technology that makes it only 5 inches high. Assembly takes a few minutes and requires a minimum of tools. The device is made of stainless steel. The ramp is suitable for high-pressure washing systems operating at up to 20 gallons per minute and is effective with both hot and cold water. You can also use chemicals with pH levels of up to 12, about the same as bleach. The ramp is also compatible with other similar equipment from the manufacturer, so you can assemble a compact, all-in-one auto cleaning system. The price is $17,500. In Germany alone, about 40% of traffic accidents are caused by driver fatigue. Moreover, in 24% of cases, drivers simply fall asleep right before the accident. Luckily, there are many solutions for you to have a good rest while camping or during a long business trip, such as this hammock. Designers offer versions for 1 or 2 people, and for passenger cars and trucks as well. The standard version weighs 40 pounds and holds about 249 pounds. The price is $349. When folded, the hammock and mounts fit in the trunk. Additionally, you can buy a folding ladder, and the team also plan to make a rain cover. There's only one question when we look at the design. Why put it on the roof? Designers say that it offers a great view. Apparently, the main thing is not to be afraid of heights. No more regular roof racks. Long live Knotix. Thanks to special magnetic locks that you can install in just 20 seconds, nothing will fall off, even if you accelerate up to 125 miles per hour. The product is suitable for most 4-door cars, except for Tesla vehicles. The carrying capacity of the model is 330 pounds, which is enough to carry 3 kayaks, for example. Various accessories like smart straps will make loading and unloading even easier. When folded, Knotix is just 23 inches long. When not in use, it can easily fit in the trunk. The first copies will go to customers as early as January 2023, with prices starting at $325. The guardian angel for your bike, say the designers of this device. After all, if your 2-wheeled vehicle is carried on a roof rack or mounted on the back, the risk of accidental damage increases. It doesn't matter if the bike is expensive or cheap, because you can easily damage not only the bike but the car as well. And that's a whole different price to pay for repairs. So why not pay $53 for your own peace of mind? For this price, you get a sensor that attaches to your bike or roof rack and an alarm system that goes in the passenger compartment. The link works via Bluetooth, and the sensor constantly scans 66 feet in front of itself, capturing a 45-degree area. And if an obstacle is detected, it triggers a light and sound signal. The manufacturer believes that their product is not only a useful purchase for anyone, but also a good gift, for example for Christmas. After all, the sensor will be useful to surfers, campers, and many other people. However, they won't be shipped out until November 2022. Here's a fun idea for pickup truck owners. The key feature of this toolbox is convenience. Thanks to the swing system, you won't have to hold it or reach for it to retrieve it from the trunk. The box holds 77 pounds, which is equivalent to 8 sets of combination wrenches. The model's designed so that users can easily install it on their own. And if something's not clear in the instructions, there are many tutorial videos featuring different cars. Options for installation on the left and right sides of the vehicle are available. Both are priced at $350. The box is made in the US, and it's so popular that Chinese copies can be found on the market. Don't let yourself be fooled, writes an official dealer, and shows the original just in case. Pickup trucks are a sales hit in many countries. 2.7 million units were sold in the US alone in 2016. That accounts for 15.3% of all car sales in the country. And it's not surprising, because the capacity, off-road performance, and payload of many models make them great workhorses. So, the market for various pickup truck accessories is also doing great, and here is an example of that. Here is a roll-up truck bed cover, and it's made, surprise surprise, in the US. A patented locking system securely locks the unit on both sides, while making it easy to roll up and down with one hand. It's made of aluminium and vinyl, it's weatherproof, and capable of withstanding up to 400 pounds of load. Manufacturers say that it's the #1 selling product in the States. The price varies depending on the pickup model, starting at about $1,000. After installing a cover, a hammock, and other useful accessories, you'll probably feel hungry and tired. Luckily, you don't have to go far if you have a mobile camping kit at hand. It includes a fully fledged bed, storage compartments, and a camping kitchen. The approximate average weight is 377 pounds, and the length is optimized for 5.6, 6.6, and 8-foot truck beds. The bed is removable, and there's enough room in the kitchen unit to fit a stove. A cutting board is built in by default. The manufacturer also offers 4 more options, for example with a bed for 2. And if something doesn't satisfy your needs, a special option on the website is available, where you can easily build your own camping kit. The price starts at $2,000. Here is another camp kitchen, this time from Australia, and with even more features. This version includes a stainless steel countertop, a 3-burner gas stove, a 1.8-gallon sink, and drawers and shelves for tableware and small items. The countertop holds 22 pounds when open and 55 when closed. Steel 304 is used. It's a popular material in the industry because of its excellent resistance to heat and corrosion. The stove is finished with a tempered glass lid and is slightly recessed in the base for better wind protection. The sink also holds 22 pounds of load, and it can also be used to store cookware. It takes 15 seconds to get the kitchen ready for use, and there are so many price options and compatible vehicles that the price list is 609 pages long. This ladder is a little more interesting because it's made for pets. The model solves a simple but very important problem. It helps pets get into the car. In the US alone, as of 2019, there are about 70 million pet dogs, so many people will be interested. The American-made ladder was so successful that it was approved by veterinarians and trainers, and after that, a model for swimming pools was added to the range. The original ladder is available in 6 versions, starting at $195. The ladder has a 150-pound payload and a height of 16 to 20 inches. Steps can be added or removed. Level platforms instill confidence. Dogs instinctively know how to use them, notes the manufacturer. We wonder what dogs really think about it. Ice is a problem, even for experienced drivers. So, developing such systems is a dire necessity. Perhaps they can save someone's life. On the screen is a product created by Swiss engineers. Unlike usual chains, these are more compact, can be mounted in half a minute, and they're even suitable for narrow wheel arches, and they're adjustable. You can drive on both ice and snow up to 5 inches deep, including uphill and downhill. Depending on the model, from 1/3 to half of the tread is covered. All you have to do to buy the right model for your particular car is specify the rims and tyre details. The price is $334. Various car options for people with disabilities are also available. These lifts will make it much easier to transport wheelchairs, scooters, and other similar vehicles thanks to their lifting capacity of up to 450 pounds. The manufacturer offers 4 models. There's a mini crane version and platform models. People of almost any age can easily control loading and unloading thanks to their simple and intuitive controls. The price is provided on request after specifying a number of data: year, make and model of the car, the required payload, and the needs and capabilities of the buyer and users. In many cases, it's possible to move the lift to another vehicle. The product is compatible with vans, pickup trucks, and crossovers. Let's make fishing enthusiasts happy as well. This system helps you transport your fishing gear. It allows you to carry rods and reels in your hand, as well as move them in a car. The patented system with locks is quickly attached to the glass, so you can easily leave it without worrying about your equipment. The model fits any car, including trucks, and allows you to store 3 rods at once. Each piece is covered by an exclusive lifetime warranty, and the device costs just $45. However, the price will go up soon, explains the dealer, using a classic salesman trick. What do you think? Is this product worth it?